No be by chance, no be by luck. Now the choice where we go make for. '27, this not the time. We go decide, we go define. No more mistake, no more delay. The future they come, we lead the way. Who go shape tomorrow? Now we. Who go change the sorrow? Now we. Who go break the cycle? Now we. Who go make them brighter? Now we don't do, we don't wake. No be by talk, action they shake. No be by promise, we no go last. Now by leaders, we sabi the task. We no go vote based on rice. We no go sell future for lies. We dey read, we dey wise. We dey see truth with our eyes. This not the time. We go decide, we go define. No more mistake, no more delay. The future they call, we lead the way. This election no be joke. Now the difference between progress and regret, between growth and setback, between leaders we go serve and leaders we go take. We no go choose because of tribe, we no go choose because of fear. We go choose because of truth, we go choose who really care. If them no fit show us work, we no go give them seat. If they no fit keep their word, them no go fit repeat. Now competence we dey demand, now justice we dey stand. Who go lead us? Who go choose? We go side us. Who go know? We go know. Who go fix them? We go check. Who go change them? We go vote. No be just here, now turning point. Now the moment where history go write our name. This time we no go fold hand. This time we go stand. This time we go choose right. This time we go win.